Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. In today's video, we will learn 20 general knowledge multiple choice question and answer on Indian Railways Part 1. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. In which year did the first train steam off in India? Option A 1848, B 1853, C 1875 and D 1878. The correct answer is 1853. The first passenger train in India steamed off on April 16, 1853. It ran from Boribandar to Thane, covering a distance of 34 kilometers. The train was pulled by 3 steam locomotives named Sahib, Sultan and Sindh. Question number 2. In which city are 3 zonal headquarters of Indian Railways located? Option A Kolkata, B Guwahati, C New Delhi and D Mumbai. The correct answer is Kolkata. Kolkata is the city where the 3 zonal headquarters of Indian Railways are located. These are the Eastern Railway, South Eastern Railway and Kolkata Metro Railway. Question number 3. Which country does the Maitri Express connected India with? Option A Myanmar, B Pakistan, C Bangladesh and D Nepal. The correct answer is Bangladesh. The Maitri Express connects India with Bangladesh. Especially, it runs between Kolkata and Dhaka. The train service was initially launched on April 14 in 2008. Maitri means friendship, symbolizing the friendly ties between the two nations. Question number 4. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Option A Lord Dalhousie, B James Watt, C George Stephenson and D Lord Curzon. The correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie is widely regarded as the father of Indian Railways. He is credited with introducing the railway system to India during the tenure as Governor General from 1848 to 1856. He is recognized for his role in stabilizing the first railway lines and promoting their development for administrative and economic benefits. Question number 5. How many stars does the official logo of Indian Railways have? Option A 17, B 15, C 12 and D 10. The correct answer is 17. The official logo of Indian Railways features 17 stars. These stars represent the 17 railway zones that exist at the time the logo was designed. The logo also includes the lion capital of Ashoka at the center and the word Satyamev Jayate in Devanagari script. Question number 6. Which of the following cities is the National Rail Museum located? Option A Mumbai, B New Delhi, C Hyderabad and D Chennai. The correct answer is New Delhi. Established in 1977, the National Rail Museum in Chanakyapuri, New Delhi showcases the history and heritage of Indian Railways. A major attraction of this museum is the Fairy Queen locomotive, one of the world's oldest working steam locomotives. Question number 7. Which of the following is the largest railway junction of the Indian Railways? Option A Delhi, B Bhatinda, C Mathura and D Prayagraj. The correct answer is Mathura. The largest railway junction in India is Mathura Junction, Uttar Pradesh. Mathura Junction has 7 routes diverging from it, making it the largest junction in terms of the number of routes? Question number 8. The largest passenger coach factory in India is located at option A Kapurthala, B Rae Bareli, C Perambur, and D Lucknow. The correct answer is Kapurthala. The largest passenger coach factory in India is located at Kapurthala, Punjab. The rail coach factory RCF Kapurthala was established in 1986. India also has integral coach factory in Chennai and a modern coach factory in Rae Bareli. But in terms of size and capacity, RCF Kapurthala leads. Question number 9. Who of the following was the first railway minister of independent India? Option A John Mathai, B Jawaharlal Nehru, C Lal Bahadur Shastri, and D Shanmugam Sethi. The correct answer is John Mathai. Question number 10. The headquarters of the Indian Railway is located in option A Kolkata, B Mumbai, C New Delhi, and D Chennai. The correct answer is New Delhi. Question number 11. Which Indian train is nicknamed the Himalayan Queen? Option A Darjeeling Toy Train, B Jammu Tawi Express, C Nilgiri Mountain Train, and D Kalka Simla Toy Train. The correct answer is Kalka Simla Toy Train. The Himalayan Queen is a nickname for the Kalka Simla Toy Train, a narrow gauge railway known for its scenic route through the Himalayan foothills. Especially, it's the train that operate on the Kalka Simla route. Question number 12. The Indian Railways longest electrified railway tunnel is located in which state? Option A Karnataka, B Andhra Pradesh, C Maharashtra, and D Telangana. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. The longest electrified railway tunnel in India, measuring 6.6 kilometers, is located in Andhra Pradesh. Especially, it is situated between Charlopalli and Rapuru railway station. Question number 13. What is the breadth of broad gauge railway line in Indian Railways? Option A 5 feet 3 inches, B 4 feet 3 inches, C 5 foot 6 inches, and D 4 feet 11 inches. The correct answer is 5 feet 6 inches. Question number 14. What is the name of the mascot of the Indian Railways? Option A Bhola, B Appu, C Bholu, and D Golu. The correct answer is Bholu. The mascot of Indian Railways is Bholu the Guard. Bholu is a friendly white cartoon elephant wearing a railway guard's uniform and holding a green signal lamp. He was unveiled in 2002 to mark the 150th anniversary of Indian Railways. Question number 15. The highest rail bridge in the world is located in India at option A Brahmaputra River, B Chenab River, C Testa River, and D Ganga River. The correct answer is Chenab River. The highest rail bridge in the world is located in India at Chenab River, Jammu and Kashmir. It was inaugurated in 2024 for operation with a height of 359 meters. Above the river bed, it is a taller than Eiffel Tower. Question number 16. Which is the first Indian state to have 100% electrified railway network? Option A Kerala, B Uttarakhand, C Haryana, and D Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Haryana. The first Indian state to achieve 100% electrification of its railway network was Haryana. This milestone was officially announced by Indian Railways in 2022. Question number 17. Which of the following is a fully unreserved superfast train of Indian Railways? Option A, Antodaya Express, B, Humsafar Express, C, Garib Rath Express, and D, Suvidha Express. The correct answer is Antodaya Express. Antodaya Express trains are designed to be completely unreserved, meaning all passengers travel in general class coaches. They are also classified as a superfast train, indicating they operate at a high speed and cover a long distances. It is introduced in the Rail Budget 2016-17. Question number 18. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is popularly known as option A, Hill Rider, B, Toy Train, C, Himalaya Express, and D, Mountain Queen. The correct answer is Toy Train. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway is popularly known as the Toy Train. It's 2 feet gauge railway that runs between the New Jalpaiguri and Darjeeling in West Bengal, India. The railway is also recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question number 19. Which is the first fully Wi-Fi enabled railway station in India? Option A, Mathura, B, Howrah, C, New Delhi, and D, Mumbai Central. The correct answer is Mumbai Central. The first railway station in India to offer a full Wi-Fi connectivity was Mumbai Central, launched in January 2016. This initiative, a collaboration between RailTel and Google, provided high-speed internet access to passengers. Question number 20. In which city is the Railway Staff College of Indian Railways located? Option A, Pune, B, Delhi, C, Vadodara, and D, Allahabad. The correct answer is Vadodara. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.